If you would have been the president of this country, East Africa would have been at a different level. It would have been at a different level. We would not been in the third world we are in. We would have been in the first world. I can promise you that. We would have been in the first world. He was a very soft-spoken guy. He did not get annoyed. People think he used to get annoyed, whatnot, but no, he was never like that. Always very polite to everyone, whether it was the media, it was the Africa, it was the Zoom, whatever. He was very polite to each and every person. And if you want to know, even you can go and ask my mom, she'll tell you. Because she was the one who was crying a lot when he passed away. And my mom is 93. When I told her that Jacob is gone, she started crying.